This is the video about emptying the dustbin of the vacuum cleaner iRobot Roomba. It's a model i3, but the process will be similar with other models also. The first step is to press the button on the side of the body and remove the bin from the body of the Roomba. The next step is to open the cover of the bin by gently pressing this button on the top. Once we do that, the cover comes off and we can see that it is full of dust. So we empty it out, and after we empty it out, we can slowly close the cover until it clicks. The next step is to put the bin back to the body of the Roomba. We latch it properly and push it gently until it clicks. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel.